What's the use to deny we've been living a lie that we should have admitted before? We were just victims of a half-hearted love. So why should we try anymore? The vows that we make are only to break. We drift like a wave from the shore. The kisses we steal, we know are not real. So why should we try anymore? The dreams that we knew could never come true. They're gone to return no more.